So Canada is going full-blown 1984, and I mean the book, not the year, and not the cool, awesome 80s. Canada now has mental health police. Police that can pull you over if you are deemed to be a risk. Now, if you're like, well, what makes you a risk? Who can make you a risk? Well, according to what is happening in this video that I'm about to show you, a psychiatrist recognized a young man, a biophysics major, at a coffee shop, minding his own business. And she decided that he was not well upstairs, and she decided to talk to his family, get more information, and basically put him on a list that would make him eligible to be pulled over when this mental health police comes in. And the cop committed him just by talking to him. And by the way, he sounds sound of mind. He sounds reasonable. And then after committing him, asks him to shut off his camera. This is how dirty Canada is becoming. Just listen to this.
He's a resident psychiatrist, senior resident. He's on a rotation with the CAR 87. We're part of a program that includes Vancouver Coastal Health and the Vancouver Police. Mm-hmm. And what we do is we go to people when there's different reasons that come up. Every case is a little different, and we go to people to see them where they are, especially if there's been issues with trying to find them and talk to them. So in your case, I think you were certified under the Mental Health Act just, I don't know how long ago, but like maybe 3 weeks ago or 4 weeks ago. Were you aware of that? Dr. Taylor saw you in a cafe. She didn't certify you. I think you filmed part of it. And then she spoke with your family, got some more information, and, you're going to have to turn that off.
Just one sec. What the officer just told me is that, you and I can set up a meeting and we can chat then. So why don't we do that, okay?
Yeah.
I'm not turning the camera off. I have a legal right to keep the camera on. If you don't want to make the appointment now, we can do it at another time. But, that's what the officer just asked that we do. So why don't we do that?
So I'm going to certify you under the Mental Health Act. We're going to bring you to a hospital, do testing on you, and you're going to talk to a psychiatrist in a controlled environment because we don't believe that you're going to attend an appointment.
So let me get this straight. This police officer with, I don't know what kind of training he has for mental health, just decided to certify this young man so that he can take him against his will to a mental hospital to be seen by another psychiatrist to have a full evaluation. But before that evaluation, he already certified him. So, welcome to 1984. And people are like, why are you afraid of Canada? Yeah, it's not tyrannical at all, right, you guys?